Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to install CentOS operating system as per real time, how the strategy they are following step by step. New, I am installing in this server MySQL Server. I am going to install. Okay, later once this is done. CentOS 7, go CentOS. In CentOS I am installing 5.7. Once this is completed, go next. I am giving around 3 GB, something around. Go next, let it be next, dynamically allocated. I need, because in real time servers more than 100 GB 200 GB it will be there, but as of now I am giving 30 GB of space. Go create, done. Okay, for our practice we need some network protocols. This is the network, enable this. Okay, this is for local network, for our internal network. You can allow all machines. This is for our practice. Go next, done. Mount the software here, you can mount here. Okay, 7, fine. Start the mission. Just give enter. It will checking completely, it will take more time. Give escape. It is taking time. Okay, go with default only. Go next. Now you can see one by one which location. India. You can change the time also, AM PM also you can change it here. Fine. Then go keyboard default and language also default. Local media default. This is important for us. GUI mode as of now, graphical interface, done. This is important. Partitions will be, I will configure, it's not automatic, we need to configure manual method. Here by default, if you click on this one, automatically it will come like we need booting for 1 GB, remaining 26 swap for 3 GB. This I will differentiate with I can give 12 GB for this one. Okay, let me GB and /u01 7 GB or 7 GB. Add /U02 6 GB. And then remaining you can give for any backups or something. You can use backup for reserved space backups. Remaining 2700, but in real time it is very they'll be giving more space, but this is for testing, right? This is enough for us. Okay, let it be, no problem. Done. Apply. Fine. Don't go with this. You can give whatever you want. Okay. Automatic. Go for here. In this, once server has been rebooted, automatically it has to generate IP address. Say this one. Then second one also same. Make it on and automatic. Any mission name, whatever you want to give mission name, I can give MySQL, right? MySQL. This is a production or development machine. Fine. Then install. For root password, you can give your wish. Okay, let it be weak also, but in real time, we have to give strong password. DBA is also as a type of administrator only. Password. It will take some time. It is done. You can reboot the server. Okay, and license accepted. Done. Finish configuration. Okay, I'm connecting root passport. Okay, done. This is the done. Verify the IP address. Okay, then you can access from the putty. the tool called putty. Okay, go next. It. Port name. Okay, this is the IP address. Take this IP address. This is the tool. In real time, we are accessing from the putty only. 217, I think so. Okay, 7. You can write whatever you want to write it. Okay, this is a MySQL prod underscore test something. Save it. Yes. Now root. You can verify df-h. See here, you can find out this is for root purpose. We won't do some important binary related things only we are going to install. In this U01, U02 and backups. These 3 will be using for our databases. Okay. In next video, I will show you how to install MySQL Server in this environment. Okay. Thank you.